Dear brothers and sisters, we will be listening these days how the Jewish leaders come to trap Jesus. Yesterday we heard about the Pharisees and the scribes who tried to trap him regarding allegiance to the government. And Jesus spoke quite strongly, said, give to Caesar what is Caesar's and to God what is God. And today we have another group of Jews who come to him and you want to make fun of him in a way. There are Sadducees. Now, who are the Sadducees? They are the Jews, but who believed only in the Pentateuch. The Pentateuch are the first 5 books of the Old Testament. And they found nothing in the book about so-called the resurrection. So they can't want to make fun of Jesus by cooking up so-called a story. And we heard the answer of Jesus telling them that when people rise, they neither marry nor given marriage, but they're like angels. What can we learn from this so-called cooked up incidents by the Sadducees? When Jesus answered to the Sadducees, we say and we believe ignorance is bliss, half knowledge is dangerous. Very, very true. The Sadducees had not read or studied the scriptures, because in the book of Deuteronomy chapter 3 we clearly read where Moses speaks about the God of the dead, but they are living. Abraham, Jacob had died long back, and yet it is said he is the God of them. How can a God be of the God of the dead, is not living? So ignorance is bliss, half knowledge is dangerous. Maybe we could ask ourselves, when we make judgment about people, when we pass comments about people, or when do we know the person well? Do we have all the knowledge of the truth, or we just hear something, don't make study about it, and when we begin to pass our own comments about things, about people? Secondly, it also tells us that we need to study scriptures thoroughly, because on that is our faith based. Our faith will grow only if we know our scriptures, our roots well. So we ask God to give us the grace today, now every day, that we spend some time every day to read the scriptures, reflect over it, and see how it applies to us in our day-to-day life.